Hi everyone, welcome to another video on the Last Ninja 2 re-implementation. Let's have a look at what the current state of this effort is. So as you can appreciate, I've added the dashboard with the usual controls, and let's just have a quick run through. That probably enable a couple of debugging facilities. The hot tiers definitely, and then maybe the boundary, and let's see if we can do it this way. Can be a bit confusing with all this stuff going on the screen, but you essentially get used to it after a while. So I'm just holding the key, as you can see it's coming up. Okay, let's kill this one, grab the shuriken stars, avoid the pins, grab the map, go up, 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 and yeah, I'll probably die on purpose a couple of times so we can just have a look at that sequence. Throw a shuriken, come on. This was supposed to be a speed run. I should probably just kill them upon entry. Sorry, man. Okay. Let's get a little bit of a get the hamburger as well. Kill the guy, grab the other chain. As you can see, you don't have to go all the way into the bathroom to grab it. All these lines are a bit confusing. Oh no. Well, that's one of the deaths that I was supposed to show. The number of lives remaining is not shown at the moment. As you can appreciate, the bee swarm is here. Let's try not to die. Okay. Well, we're pretty much done. May as well just lose another life by doing something silly. Yay! As you can see, the curtain is there as well. Avoid the bees. Well, try as much as possible. And I guess this is the last time I sacrifice a life. Well, why not? The other debug facility I added is I can actually kill myself, which is also what the run stop key does on the Commodore 64. But yeah, as you can see, there's very few things that are missing, and one of them is actually writing messages on screen. The holding stuff all works, the using bit works. There's a couple of things I like from Last Ninja 3 that are not implemented in Last Ninja 2. One of them is that enemies draw their weapon when Armakuni gets close, so they start without any weapon, without holding any weapon. I like that. That's a nice touch. It's appearance, but you know, I like it's a good touch. The other thing I like quite a bit is that animated elements of the foreground, specifically on level 1, the flags, they do affect the clipping. So you can have elements of the foreground that cause clipping of the sprites, and they are animated. In Last Ninja there is no such thing. Animated elements of the background are found in a few levels, and the servers is one of them. The torches, essentially, they are animated, and you can also interact with one of them with the bottle to get a weapon out of it. And the other case of animated foreground is on level 7, the candles on the ground where you are supposed to kill Kunitoki. However, those are elements of the foreground for which there is no clipping on the sprites, so you cannot go behind the candle. You're always in front of a candle in that section, and I think that is a little bit of a a shame, considering the Last Ninja 3 shows off with the flags and with other things, but I thought it was a little bit of a missed opportunity to go a little bit further on level 7 with those candles. Anyway, that's about it for this one. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.